Hello, I'm Barista Herbert. Today I'm going to show you how to make an espresso. First of all, what is an espresso? An espresso is a concentrated form of coffee formed by pressure to force a nearby boiling water to pass through a compacted coffee grounds. Let's begin the process. We shall first grind our coffee into a medium fine coffee grind setting, and then we shall also put our weighing scale on. Today I'll be using a ratio 1 to 1.5. Place it on the weighing scale and tear to 0, and then immediately begin to dose. After dosing, we shall put back on the weighing scale. Alright, and then reduce a little bit. Okay. Still much. We need only 18. Here we go. This 18. And then the next step is to distribute, to level, and also to remove the clumps. After leveling, we shall compact with a calibrated tamper with no much foam, no much pressure, and no less pressure, just pressure. Here is the machine. We shall first flush to check the flow of the water, and then also to cleanse the group head. And immediately insert the portafilter into the group head, and then place the glass. We shall be using a Kaya weighing scale here. Tear to 0 and begin the extraction. Okay, so it takes 3 to 4 seconds to drop. Exactly. So this is our espresso. You can see it has 3 layers. The first one is a heart, the second one is body, and then the last one is crema. So you can see this is based on the ratio of 1 to 1.5. So you're most welcome, and thank you so much for watching. Love you all.